Hi everyone, this is TomekD from the Coin Dictionary, and this is going to be an especially exciting video for me to make, because today we'll be unboxing my biggest shipment of silver on this channel. This is a collection of multiple giveaways which I have won from Hunting West Ohio over a span of a few months, and he sent them all to me at once. And there is a lot of great stuff in here, especially the silver. And I was able to get this shipment thanks to the help of Bandit, who forwarded it to me, so thanks a lot for that. They wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you, so thanks again. This bag is here only to cover the shipment address. I have opened the envelope already, so let's dump everything out and get into unboxing. So I have opened the envelopes already to see which one is which, since I want to keep the best for last. You know what I mean. So I have not looked at these coins in detail yet. I'll be going into them fresh, but I just had a peek in each envelope. So here is a channel sticker. Here is a Columbus token from 1992 to commemorate 500 years of his voyage. This isn't a coin, but rather a token, and I don't collect tokens really, and I don't know what to make of it. But yeah, for now I'll keep it, of course. It is pretty nice. So now for the coins. Let's start with the least interesting package. Here are some nickels. He was giving away some rolls from a nickel box, and I happened to win, I think, 5 of them. And he sent me the finds he got from them. So I'll go over them quickly. These 4 are normal circulating commemoratives from 2004 and 5, which I did not have in my collection yet. So even though these are completely normal nickels, not worth anything over face value, I am very happy to have them, because, as stated, I did not have them previously, and now I do. So this is great for me. And these are some 40s and 50s, and also I see here is a 1960 Denver, I see, in beautiful condition. It is absolutely uncirculated, and it may upgrade the one I have in my collection. So this is great. The other dates I see are 1957 Philadelphia, 1952 Denver, 1947 Denver, 1942 Philadelphia non-silver, and 1940 Philadelphia. This one I see is in really great shape for 1940. It is almost uncirculated, even though, as I can see, it has some discoloration or maybe corrosion. But yeah, it is in really great shape for 1940, wouldn't you say? So alright, these have been just some more or less normal nickels. Here is another win of mine. These are 2 Indian head cents and a V nickel. Again, nothing super exciting, but trust me, we'll get into the good stuff shortly. Here we have a 1902 and an 1897. So this is going to be my new oldest US coin. My 2 oldest were ex aequo a 1900 Indian head cent and a 1900 V nickel. So this is my first US coin from the 1800s. I have lots of old coins from elsewhere, but not from the US, so this is great for me, even though to you, you know, it is exactly a Indian head cent. And here is a 1907 V nickel. It is in slightly better shape than what I have in my collection from what I see, so I'll compare it and maybe upgrade. Yeah. So with that out of the way, let's move on to the real good stuff, the silver. Here we have 2 dimes, a 1957 Philadelphia and a 1937 Philadelphia Mercury dime. So I mean, it's great to have some silver, isn't it? So let's continue. Here I should have a $50. We'll see what is it. Okay, it is a 1965 40%er. I see it has some, I can see it is corrosion and not gunk. So yeah, that is unfortunate, but I mean, it is still 40% silver. So here we have a $50. Next up, we'll be getting into the real good stuff now. Here we have some free coins. Here is a 1963 Philadelphia dime, a 1967 40%er. This one is in really great shape, even with some toning. And my currently only Walking Liberty in my collection, a 1940 S. So yeah, a 90%er. That is absolutely great. And now, the stars of the show are two more silver dimes. Just kidding. They are not the stars of the show. However, they are from the same envelope with the piece that is. This is a 1946 S, so that is nice, and a 1945 Philadelphia. And now, there it is, a Krugerrand. I mean, how amazing is that? A whole ounce of silver, and my first in the collection. And, you know, considering that I do not buy coins for my collection of any kind, I only do for the stack, but that's a completely different category, and I treat it separately. How often do you get this much silver? No, I mean, these are from a few different giveaways, but still, this is by far my largest unboxing on this channel, wouldn't you say? Of some absolutely great stuff. And great silver. So I think I will have to wait a long time for this record to be beat. And thank you a lot, Hunting Southwest Ohio, for your generosity, to Bottle Top Bandit, of course, for the help getting these coins to me, and for you for watching. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did enjoy unboxing these amazing coins. So yeah, thanks.